Hey everyone, this is Jennifer Shaheen, and I'm president and founder of Technology Therapy Group. And today I want to talk to you about something that I've had a lot of people asking about, which is understanding the difference between what's going on with your marketing and what's going on with the market. So, what do I mean by that? Well, if you are someone who's been keeping track of your business and you've been running it a little longer, right, you may have noticed some drops in traffic to your website. And sometimes we have a tendency to just automatically think our marketing is to blame. And so that's a good place to look. It absolutely is. You should always look at, but it is also important to understand the market. Right now, when I'm recording this video, it is November of 2022, right? And this is a different time than it was 2 years ago. We've had a lot of changes in our market. So, one of the things that I would recommend that you do is use this great tool called trends.google.com. Put in a couple of the different keywords that might have been something you tracked or you are currently tracking. Look at it across the last 2 years. You can do this on trends.google.com by the entire country, or you can also look at it in just your state. And that way you can see if the trend line for the market has gone up or down. What I also love about this tool is that you can actually scroll down the page and see if other phrases or terms have started to take over. And if you're narrowing down into your own state, you can also see where in the state certain terms have grown or dropped. So when you're thinking about what's going on in your business, I do think it's important to understand and look at not only your marketing, but the market overall. Hopefully, this tip will help you be better at understanding where you are and planning the future. For more information and more great tips, stop by technologytherapy.com.